I'm David Feinberg, and I lead Google Health. I've been a doc for over 30 years and really excited to bring the tools and the technology that Google has with really one goal: to make your care better, to make sure that your doctors and nurses have the right information at the right time. I know what it's like everyone else. Your world stops when you hear there's a lump in the mammography. Your world stops when you hear that your 18-year-old is starting to feel depressed and suicidal. I've been there, right? And so at that time, what I want is a really trusting, caring relationship with my doctor. And I certainly want my doctor to have the right information. Our mission at Google Health is to help everybody live their healthiest life. So why Google? Google is really good at organizing information. And these electronic health records have amazing amounts of information, but they're unusable. So we want to bring the functionality of Google, the way to kind of organize information so that doctors can spend more time holding your hand, looking in your eye, and having the difficult conversations with you, instead of being data clerks. And part of that is allowing them to find the needle in the haystack in your medical record in seconds instead of days. It's that technology coupled with a caring clinician. I know that the only way that I can take care of you, even if I have the best information, is if you trust me. We gotta earn trust. We gotta prove that every time we're engaging with you, we're doing it in a transparent, open, secure way, that you understand what's happening, because if we establish that trust, these tools are gonna be spectacular. The thing that's most important to me about what we're doing at Google Health is that these tools, I really believe, can help individuals and their families live better lives.